Some GM genuine parts may have formerly appeared as Delco GM Original Equipment (OE). GM genuine parts are designed, engineered and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. GM engineers design and validate OE parts specifically for your Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac vehicle. GM regularly updates production and service part designs to integrate new materials and technologies. GM genuine parts engine coolant hose connectors are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. GM genuine parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM genuine parts may have formerly appeared as Delco GM Original Equipment (OE). Warning: cancer and reproductive harm. Top reviews from the United States. 2015 Buick Encore. Fit but came off causing my coolant to leak and car to overheat. Put it back in and used zip ties to hold down, now all good.